So pregnant women, the answer is we just don't know. We don't know. Now, this is scary, and I'm not saying it to scare you, but we know from past that you can pass genetic alterations during pregnancy through a virus. That the good example of that was the Zika virus. Remember the Zika virus from a few years ago, 2015, 16, where there was that mosquito down in South America, that virus that was being passed by mosquitoes, and these women would have like flu-like symptoms, aching joints. Usually it was really like stiff hand pain, joint pains were really bad. And then they were pregnant, and then, months later, these babies were being born with small heads. Remember that? Anencephaly, small heads, or microcephaly. It was really scary. It was really scary. And the Zika virus came to the United States. So we know, epidemiologically speaking, genetically speaking, that viruses can cause genetic mutations in pregnant women. We don't know that with this coronavirus. The other coronaviruses, this is our third one, we have not had that problem, right? SARS and MERS, but we don't know. So pregnant women need to take a lot of precautions, really need to self-isolate and self-distance. If you have a newborn baby, we do not know, we doubt it, but we don't know if the virus is passed through nursing. Lactation, we don't know. We do know that nursing moms, for good reasons, really good health reasons, pass immunology to their babies, nutrients, all sorts of stuff go from through mother's milk to baby. But some bad things too. For example, drugs, some antibiotics, some medications. Don't laugh, but if we know alcohol can do it too. So if you ever want a baby to go sleep, I'm kidding. But in all seriousness, we're not really sure about lactation. So what can you do is just like all the other recommendations for everybody else. Become hypervigilant. Be very hypervigilant. Be very with your hand washing. Make your friends who come to see the baby, make sure they all wash their hands before they come see the baby, or when they get into the house. So don't meet them at the door with the baby. Okay, don't have them hold the baby. Keep the baby away. Have your friends come. Make sure they all wash their hands. Check this out. Wash your hands 20 seconds, which is, I heard this the other day, which is really good. Sing happy birthday twice. Happy birthday to you. Would be cute with a newborn baby, right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear new baby. Happy birthday to you. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, new little grandbaby. Happy birthday to you. And that, believe it or not, is about 20 seconds. I know it was painful for you guys to have to hear me sing happy birthday. I know you heard my singing, but it's a good reminder. It's not like, how people hand wash. They just barely get their hands wet. Don't even take time to make bubbles. So if this has been useful, please hit share for me.